Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about Sendfox tutorial and particularly for email marketing as beginners. So right now you need to create an account for Sendbox. So that's what I'm going to do. Otherwise you can sign up with your Google or your email address. I'm going to sign up with my email, and obviously you need to register your name and your password if you want, and go ahead and click on register. It will take like not that much time, but now we are here. Like click on yeah. If you have any content type, you can just go ahead and do that. If you have any source from your URL, you can do that too, or just go ahead and click on I don't have any content, so just do that. We will talk about this later, and go to dashboard. So here we are at the dashboard of Sendfox. Very easy, right? So what you need to do first, go ahead and click on these three lines, go to settings, and it will take you right over here. What you need to do, you need to fill all of this. So I'm going to fill this all, and then you need to create your custom URL. So as you can see over here, just write anything. I'm just gonna write this and click on save changes. So if you want like weekly stats updated according to this, so you can do that too. Just click on this tick button, then click on save changes. Simple as that. After that, remember to verify your email from your obviously whatever you have given to them. So I'm just going to confirm and verify my email. So once your email address has been verified, you need to go add web presence, and you need to add your content, your blog URL, your podcast URL, your YouTube URL, your social media links. If you want to add that, you can just do that ahead from over here. Then you need to go add domains, click on domains. You can see we need to add our domain. So just write over here. I'm just going to write this one. Remember not to write www or http. You don't need to write that. Click on add domain, and it will add domain over here. Click on validate, and after clicking on validate, you need to add this to your web host DNS zone. Okay, otherwise it won't validate. Like if I click on validate right now, you can see it won't. So you need to add these, these hosts. You need to add these hosts to your host DNS zone. So once it's done, congratulations, all your main and basic part have been done. So now what you need to do, you need to create a list for your contacts. So click on list over here. As you can see, click on list, create list, and you can import it from your Google account, from your MailChimp, or from your CSV. Just name that title if you want, like list name, and that's it. Remember, if you are going to add more than 1,000 contacts, you need to pay for $10 each. Like if it's 10,000, thousand above, sorry, so you need to pay $10. So, or if it is like 2,000 above, you need to pay $20. So just create from over here, and then what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on smart pages. You need to create a landing page first to before go ahead and create your email marketing email. So click on smart pages. Just remember, this is not a premium account. That is why we can only work on one page. Otherwise you can just click on create page. If you have any premium account, you can just go ahead and do that from over here. Or you can just, if you have any website for particular landing page, you can also add from over here. But we can do that because this is not a premium account. We have only one page over here. If we click on over here, you can see we have pre-made landing page already over here. You can see this is a campaign tags landing page have already been updated. You can see the visuals if you want to change the visuals, or you can change the page image if you want. You can change the theme. You can create your logo and display that over here, or your name if you want. Go ahead and click on forms, add the necessary details, and click on save. Simple, very easy. There's nothing like headache over here. And then go to emails tab, click on emails, and you will end up over here. So now what we need to do, we need to click on create email, create on email. And what is this list, select list, which we have created for the contacts, right? Click on over here. You can add your list from over here if you have created something over here. And if you want to sell, send this email to multiple people, like 1,000 people, right? And uncheck this if you don't want to send this email to unsubscribers, people like those who are not active to your emails. Or if you want to send those particular subscribers from your list, only those who are active, just click on over here, just tick that. Select your write down your subject and preview text. If you want, write down your email, simple is that. And you can see on the down, like you can code your own, like you can create your own. But if you don't know HTML, it's okay, just write it down. And you can have your email generator, what it is like. It's like a if you click on over here, you can add like RSS feed, you can add your social accounts, simple. You can see your templates over here if you want, if you have already created a template for your email. You have your tags, like you can categorize it, and you can see the preview of your email. Obviously the body is empty, we haven't write anything over here. Otherwise you can preview it from over here. You can send the email as a test to your own like existing email. You can send that also to see how it will look like. And that's it. This is all you need to know about, like every single step is very important. Just remember that before doing and coming to this email area. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to follow all the steps. If you have any queries, comment down below. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and bye bye.